FINRA is replacing the pattern day trader rule with a new intraday margin standard, effective June 4th, 2026. Under the old rule, you needed $25,000 in your margin account to day trade freely. Make 4 or more day trades in 5 business days below that level, and your account was restricted to closing transactions only. That framework is being replaced. There's no longer a trade counting test, and there's no longer a $25,000 requirement. In its place, a $2,000 margin equity threshold and a straightforward buying power calculation that updates in real time. Here's how your intraday margin buying power is calculated. Your intraday buying power starts with margin equity. That's your long positions minus any shorts adjusted for cash. From there, take your margin equity and subtract what your open positions require in margin. That gives you margin excess. Multiply that number by 4, and you have your intraday buying power. Here's a quick example. Say you have $5,000 in equity and $1,000 in margin requirements. That leaves $4,000 in excess. And at 4 times leverage, you're working with up to $16,000 intraday. One important distinction, that 4 times is for intraday use only. If you hold positions overnight, the multiplier drops to 2 times. Use full intraday leverage and plan to reduce positions before the close. Positions held past market close that exceed your overnight buying power may result in a margin call. As long as your margin equity stays at or above $2,000, you may have access to 4 times intraday leverage. If losses bring you below that level during the day, your buying power automatically recalculates to no additional leverage until equity recovers. If your account falls below $2,000 while carrying a debit balance or a short position, you'll receive a margin call. Resolve it by depositing funds or closing positions. Please be aware that if a margin call is not met, TradeStation may liquidate positions in your account to bring it into compliance. No action required on your part. The changes apply automatically to your margin account on June 4th, 2026. Review the updated margin disclosures and educational materials at TradeStation.com. Questions about your specific account balance or buying power? Contact our trade desk or client support team.